If notifications are not showing up on your iPhone, here are the fixes. The very first fix is make sure you don't have silence mode turned on. If you have silence mode, the notification messages will not appear. So just push this button up. Okay, this is a silent mode button. So if it is down and it's showing red, just push it up and turn silent mode off. Now, if this is also not working, then what you can do, you can just go to settings and just go to notifications, tap on notifications and tap on schedule summary, and if it is turned on, okay, if it is turned on, then just turn it off. Okay, try to turn it off. So this is also one of the reason. Also, in the notification sections, scroll down and find that particular app and make sure this is turned on. Okay, so maybe some apps are not showing notifications. In that case, try to find that individual apps. Now, one more thing which is to be needed is your focus mode should not be turned on. Okay, so if you scroll down and make sure the focus mode is off, if it is on, turn it off. Okay, also what happens, if you will go to settings, home page, and scroll down and find focus mode, tap on focus mode, and if this option is there in any of your other devices which is of the same Apple ID, for example, some people use MacBook, and if they have focus mode turned on in MacBook, this will impact here also sometimes. So try to turn off the focus mode in MacBook, or just go to the MacBook focus mode settings and just turn this thing off. Okay, so that the focus mode of MacBook does not forces the focus mode here. Okay, similar thing can be checked in any other of your iOS devices where this focus mode is turned on, and this across devices settings is also turned on. So try to turn it off. Okay, so this is the thing. If this is also not working, then one more thing which you can do is reset all settings. So just go to settings and scroll down and find general, tap on general, and scroll down and find transfer or reset iPhone, tap on it, tap on reset, and finally tap on reset all settings. But before this, please note that all the settings will be put to the default mode. Okay, no data will be deleted, just the settings, all the settings of your iPhone will be set to the default mode when you purchase the phone. Okay, so go ahead, reset all settings and see whether this thing fixes your issue or not. One last resort is, if you are facing this problem for a particular app, try to reinstall that app. Just delete that app and then install it from App Store. Okay, and see whether your issue gets resolved or not. Thanks for watching. Please do like.